Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight prices are sharply lower in the grains. I think some people feel that there's some technical selling going on as we trade below some of the key moving average support in soybeans and wheat. And corn is back near season lows, and the funds may be just giving up that if over the next month or so you don't have a lot of hot temperatures to bring yields down, what we have is sufficient to satisfy demand. Even though the carryouts might be dropping a little bit, they're not dropping enough to get into a level in which should move prices higher. We have export sales data today. Beans 350 to 750,000 tons. We're still waiting for the Chinese to step up to the plate and cover their O&D needs. We'll see, number one, how much they need, and number two, where they buy it from. The president of Brazil escaped a corruption vote overnight, and so we'll see what that does, but it did rally the real, and in essence the real needs to break in order for the Brazil farmer to sell grain into the marketplace. So that may offer some support if we get a little export business out of that, either in beans or corn. Domestically, meal values are still cheap, and it kind of offers resistance to the marketplace as far as bean demand type rally. As far as the corn sales are concerned, 500 to 900,000 tons. Again, we're expecting a pretty steep drop in 17 and 18 corn exports out of the United States versus a year ago because of the competition from South America. But this week's private estimate of the U.S. corn crop as down to where it was suggests that maybe the U.S. crop could be small enough to offset this big Brazil crop. It could offer some support at lower prices, but still the U.S. farmer has a lot of corn to sell. Wheat sells 300 to 500,000 tons. Again, not a lot of news in the wheat market. The spring wheat crop here, U.S. and Canada, is down. There's some dryness in parts of Europe, but it doesn't seem like it's enough to bring world stocks down to a level that would allow prices to rally. So again, the wheat market's trying to find a price that will stimulate demand and maybe encourage lower production in 2018. So some technical selling overnight. Prices are below support, and we'll see how low is low over the next month or so when we've got the USDA report on August 10th and weather to trade. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.